Can you guys see me? Oh, I don't know if it's blurry or something, but okay. Hi everyone, hola a todos. In this video I'm going to go to Omegle and Omegle, voy a ir a Omegle and do some contortion poses to freak everyone out. Voy a hacer unas poses de contorsiones para este video en Omegle para ver las reacciones. So please, before you watch this video, subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram, which is link in bio or in the description. Antes de que vean el video, suscríbanse, denle un like y síganme en Instagram que está en la descripción. No hagan esto de casa, do not do this at home. These are dangerous poses. Esos son poses muy difíciles y se pueden lastimar. You can get hurt.
Nobody knows. What the heck are you doing? Oh, Sophia, he's doing yoga. What the heck?
That is cute. That is cute. Pop off. Period.
What the
Clean.
hell do you mean?
Yes.
Those
Get into it.
match.
I can do that too, but I'm in jeans. Are you a dude? Yes, pop off.
What the hell?
You farmer? I'm in the wrong.
He's dead.
Oh, period. Period. I can do the splits too, but... Did you pass away? Alright.
Yeah.
I can do splits too because I'm from India and I'm very flexible. That means I'm a guy that loves a girl.
Good girl. Bye.
Oh my god, he rolling.
Oi! Sama.
Uy, vea. Vea cómo se por ahí, mano. Mire. Se lo juro. Mire.
What's that? Oh my gosh! Can you get on your hands like handstand from there?
Yeah.
Can you do it now? Damn.
What are you doing? You're going to dance? I want to see you dance. Oh my god. Oh. You're so amazing. In shock.
Oh my god. No.
Are you okay?
Just a week ago. Am I?
Did someone spray you with bug spray?
No. Yeah.
Do you want a cookie? Oh my god, why are you on the floor?
Ooh, a spider.
Stop! I want to be. Oh yes, Queen! Oh my God, yes. You're so flexible.
I know.
Thank you.
You have my sleep paralysis demon. I can do that too.
Okay, try it.
Oh, come on. Hang on, how's he doing that?
Charlie D'Amelio.
I'm not Charlie.
Oh my god! You look like
Contorsionista.
Sí, contorsionista.
¿Español?
Sí.
¿De dónde sos?
Hell? Gay. How? Is that a guy or a girl? I'm so glad I'm a guy, so I don't have to do that. Wait, I see a ball.
We can do that.
Cotaxio. ¡Oh! Ponte en pie en la cabeza.
¿Me pongo bien la cabeza?
Sí, sí. ¿Puedes pararte de cabeza? Güey, párate un pie. Pie. ¿Qué pasa, loco? Oye, Satanás.
Oh my god. Well done. Oh my gosh. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's a boy. I'm so sorry. You're handsome.
It's fine.
Can you do the splits? Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my god, it looks very easy for you to do. Oh my gosh.
The shoes ain't shit and they ain't. The f-
The brown thing downstairs.
Hey.
I think that's
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Oh. Hello, bestie. Sophie Dossie?
Yes.
Sophie Dossie?
No, I've never seen a man flexible. No, I can't watch that. No.
like those old men. Oh, are you okay? Oh my god, wait, you're to split. That's really impressive.
Oh, I thought you were just like.
I cannot do that for my life. That is impressive. Are you alive though? Oh, okay. Good, you're alive. That's impressive. I can't even touch my toes. Did you have a TikTok go viral once?
Yeah.
Then I've definitely seen one of your videos. What the
Huh? Excuse me?
Que se marcha. Se muerta. ¿Te vas a romper?
Sí, me voy a romper.
Hi. ¡Oh! ¿Esto en TikTok esto?
There. She said, nah.
Should I put in my hair? I ain't even gonna ask her this.
Everybody's scared.
Oh my god! Are you doing the split? Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh.
you gonna break your neck.
Ah.
Child, you flexible. Damn. You have what? You have.
I have bones.
Okay. Yeah, I can tell. I know you do. But like, how can you do that?
Breaking my bones?
You have bones, but they're broken. Okay,
Yeah,
got you.
yeah.
Okay, got you. Cool, very cool.
Yeah.
Respect.
What? Man, damn, that's talent. That's pure talent.
I'm sleeping on my hand.
You're so cute. Good night.
Good night.
I can. Oh.
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the finger and a thumb in the shape of a nail on well. Hey now, get it all fair, get the game. Okay.
Hey, yo. What's going on here? You're creeping me out.
I think he's taking a screenshot right now.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Work it.
What's up? That's a fruit fly.
Oh, it's a dude.
Yeah, even better.
I'm more scary than you.
Hello, senor.
Yo, what? Yo, do something cool. Yo, that's tough.
How the fuck do you get your leg like that?
Bye. Ew.
Bye.
Kate, look. Kate, look. How do I change? Oh! Love the move.
I'm just tired right now.
Okay.
What the
I'm gonna ask what are your pronouns?
What the fuck?
What is pretzel? Oh my god.
Flexibility.
Oh my god.
What the? Oh, okay. Papa.
What pose can you do?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you
No,
doing?
what?
Are you doing gymnastics?
Yes.
Weirdo. Oh, okay, okay. I can't see. Get it.
Appearing on my screen.
Do cartwheel.
I don't know.
Amazing. Do it for seconds. Oh, that's a flexible. Oh, okay, let's see a handstand.
Okay.
You gotta hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that arch. 9, 10. Oh, he's still. Are you a gymnast?
Yeah.
I'm gonna skip so that the next person sees you like this.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'm tired.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Work it. No? Okay. Bye. That was period.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, that's a.
Okay. You did that? No. I saw on my screen, I saw a clown. Did you see that too? Okay, I need to do another pose.
Also.
Hi, thank you.
You good? Do you need me to call 911?
Yes, please.
Ah! Oh my god, stop!
Okay.
Nice.
Hey, what?
And hello.
Thank you everyone, gracias a todos, thank you for watching this video, gracias por ver este video, denle like, suscríbanse, denle un me gusta y nos vemos en el siguiente video. Adiós, bye.